Z's going fishing. That Z's going fishing, but I'm not fishing. He's fishing.
Yeah, YouTube channel?
Yes, sir.
Hey.
And this is big. I do. This is a biggie.
I don't think it's too big.
No? Took it.
You guys need a net?
Yeah, okay. Why not?
There you go.
It's all right, man.
Just glad somebody caught something.
And it's not a catfish.
It's not?
Nah,
What is it?
No?
that's a bass or something.
Yeah, that's a massive bass. That's a fucking bass. What is it, man?
The catfish not gonna fight like that.
Is that a big ass bass?
This would be the biggest bass.
Oh my god, that's a big one. That's a fucking big one. No.
What the fuck's going on?
That's a fucking big one. No, we need the net for this one.
Yo!
Oh my
Get
god.
the fuck out of here.
Yo, this is huge.
Tighten your drag, man. Tighten
I
it.
wanna.
All right.
I should tighten it a little bit.
Yeah, you gotta surf
I
right
don't
there.
think
Huge
that
bass.
net is
That's like a
Yeah, this is
600, 700.
Is it a cat?
That's a cat, yeah.
Oh, that's a cat?
Yeah.
That's a channel, man.
This thing still got a lot of in it.
Fight him. That's what you're here
There we
for.
go.
What the fuck's going on here? OMG.
Damn.
OMG. He's tired. What in the complete fuck is going on?
God damn. Oh my god. Come on. That's a big one.
What?
God.
Jesus.
That's a fucking big one right there.
Oh man, that's a nice one, man.
Dude.
Yeah.
God damn.
You can just lip them, right?
You guys want to weigh it? I got a scale.
Yeah.
Fucking weigh that thing.
You said it, man. You said it.
Take it.
Yeah, that's going. Yo, what's the net?
I bet.
Yeah.
There you will got scale.
I'll send this to y'all.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's the perfect hook set. That shit was not coming out.
That's the one.
Yeah, we gotta get a fucking picture of this.
You alright? It's a channel, man. Watch it, he'll go back. I don't know if I want to take him back, but get your pictures. That.
That's a fucking big one.
I might need pliers. This thing's.
I got him. Anybody got pliers for him?
You got pliers?
Yeah, I think you have that one thing, right?
Yeah.
You want to definitely get that out of there before you.
Yeah, pick them up.
You fought him. You got him.
That one you can use. Yeah, pliers.
Fire cut. You gotta hold that boy up, Wolf. Fucking big one.
The had.
I know it was big. I'm
No,
telling
that
you.
shit took it down. Like,
He said, no, not that big.
It was not coming off.
Yeah, this guy was pinned. Dude. You want to try?
Yeah. You just hold him. I'm gonna yank.
It's just on skin now.
Yep.
hold on to that boy. Hold on to that thing. Hold that boy out.
That's nice, man.
That's a big one.
Beautiful, bro.
One more.
See, he's going. I ain't going. What's your name?
Ryan.
Ryan's going fishing. Look at that, man. It's a dinosaur.
Damn.